Hi, in this video, we're going to creating this line burst animation by using these two most used effects, which are number 1, drawing progress, and number 2, radial repeat effect. As you can see, in this animation, we have used a line from shapes category, but you can use any shapes of your choice to create burst animation. So, let's get straight into the making of this animation. If you are new to Alight Motion, I would suggest you to follow me step by step, or watch tutorials on Alight Motion. This is the way Alight Motion looks, as you install and open it on your phone. For creating our animation, click on plus icon. If you want, you can name your project. Now choose resolution, I'll stick to 16:9. Just keep default settings and hit create project. This is the interface of Alight Motion. The top part is the preview panel where our animation will get displayed, and the bottom part is the timeline panel, where all our layers and keyframes will be added. Bottom right, there is a plus icon, click that plus icon, and select the shape, as highlighted. Voila! There you go. Now click on that layer, choose Move and Transform. Under that, select Rotation parameter and make the line straight as shown. Click the back button, go to Border and Shadow, make sure the stroke is on. If not, turn the slider by clicking on it. Now adjust the stroke width as per your taste. I'm gonna set it to 3. Click the back button. Go to Effects tab, click on Add Effect, go to Drawing and X section, then select our Drawing Progress effect, and click Standard Effect Settings. Now inside Drawing Progress tab, select Start, click on plus button to add keyframe, and move your timeline cursor about 10 to 20 frame. And make start parameter to 100%, as shown. Next part is adding our second effect, which is the radial repeat. By clicking on the layer, select Effect, Add Effect, Repeat, and choose Radial Repeat. Select the count and make it 8. The orientation looks bit off. So under Repeat Effect, select Orientation, and change it as shown. If you want to scale it down a little bit, go to Move and Transform tab. Choose Scale, and change the scale value as shown. Now, it's time to make our line burst. Select Layer, and go to Effect tab. Click on Radial Repeat. Under that, select Scale and follow my steps. That's it. You just created your own line burst animation. Try experimenting with other shapes. Thank you for watching this tutorial till the end. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please make sure to ask in the comments. We will do our best to help in any way we can.